comes to us from local10.com. A Hialeah police officer is facing a charge of driving under the influence in Broward County. Florida Highway Patrol troopers arrested Sergeant Richard Quintero, Sergeant Richard Quintero on November 11th after he was involved in a crash while driving an unmarked police car in Tamarack. Quintero, 38, a 19-year veteran of the Hialeah Police Department, was off duty when he crashed with a civilian about 5 a.m. on the Sawgrass Expressway's northbound lanes. Now, a trooper reported smelling an odor of alcohol. No, he didn't. Alcohol in it of itself doesn't have a distinct odor. But he may have smelled an odor, he may have detected an odor of an alcoholic beverage. Anyway, a trooper reported smelling the odor of alcohol on Quintero, who refused sobriety exercises. The other driver told an FHP trooper, Florida Highway Patrol trooper, Quintero was speeding before the crash, according to the incident report. Now, the Florida Highway Patrol incident report is in the story below. If you want to click that link and go there, you can pull it up. You can actually read the report for yourself.
19-year veteran K-9 Sergeant and active SWAT member Richard Quintero was arrested by the Florida Highway Patrol. In a statement, the Hialeah Police Department says they're cooperating with FHP as they conduct their investigation. We're told Sergeant Quintero was relieved of duty and is currently on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation.
Facing a charge of DUI. Police sergeant. Police sergeant. That means he trains cops to go out and arrest people for what? DUI. Now, the reason I brought up odor of alcohol over alcohol beverage is in Texas, when I went through the police academy there in Texas, I went through level 1 police academy. They taught you, and they gave us a couple of case laws, a couple of where people were found not guilty of DUI simply because the officer put in there, I detected an odor of alcohol. And the defense attorneys were able to go, you know what? Alcohol in and of itself don't have an odor. How did he smell something that does not have an odor? Come on. And the people were basically acquitted of DUI. So in the police academy, they were teaching us when you pull somebody over and you want to check for DUI, it's I detected an odor of an alcoholic beverage. Whether it's wine or beer or malt liquor, Jack Daniel bourbon, whatever. I detected the odor of an alcoholic beverage. That's the way you were to word it. We were taught that in the police academy. They said, don't ever say I smelled the odor of alcohol or I smelled alcohol. They said, because it's going to get thrown out when you get a good defense attorney that goes, guess what? But here's the police sergeant. It's not getting thrown out yet. He's facing a charge of DUI.